Saturday. This is Miss Katie. Welcome to Heritage Ways, where we honor home, celebrate heritage, and spread hope. Today I just want to tell you about a collaboration that I have created and invited a lot of channels to for every Saturday in the month of May. Now, before you think, oh my word, I can't watch that many videos every Saturday, let me tell you what my idea is, and I'm inviting you to join, and I think that you're going to really enjoy this. So many folks right now are trying extra hard to use leftovers and not waste food. So the name of the collaboration is called SAVOR the Scraps, because we're going to try to use everything that we have in the refrigerator before it goes bad. We have channels that are going to come on here and teach you new ways to use your leftovers every Saturday in the month of May. Let me tell you how this is going to work, because it will be myself and 2 to 3 other channels every Saturday. A new one or new ones every week. I have asked these channels, these creators who are awesome, to put out a video for you. And what I will do is I will tell you what those channel names are. And also I will have a playlist, SAVOR the Scraps collaboration playlist here on my channel. Each one of those creators will have a SAVOR the Scraps collaboration playlist on his or her channel. And so each week, new videos will be added to that playlist, and by the end of May you're going to have access to a playlist with lots of videos, so you can keep that as a resource of how to use leftovers. We want to all bring hope to y'all. All of us who have come together in this, I call it collaboration rotation, are coming together to bring hope to y'all. We want to inspire y'all. We want to help y'all. My oven just kicked on, so I tell you what, I'm gonna go get busy putting something in that oven. You come back next Saturday morning, every Saturday in May, y'all. You come back here, and then I'll tell you where to go to the other channels. I'll write the channel links down below. I will see you then. In the meantime, I've got to get busy. Bye, y'all.